Rachel Carson's quote that a community will thrive if they have not only access to meaningful places, but to meaningful people. I think how we steward this and how we honor these spaces and how we as adults model those behaviors actually makes all the difference. And that if we're modeling that you shouldn't touch that, or you should stay out of that, or you shouldn't jump on that, or move that, or shift it, or influence it, or bend that branch, or touch that leaf because it's going to break it or wreck it. And if we don't recognize that they are an integral part of the ecosystem, not separate from it, they'll never learn to love it, they'll never look after it, and they'll never move forward stewarding it. I think we should have more signs that say, please don't put this back where you found it. You know, please go jump on this. Can you mess this up? Tear it apart and rebuild it. It'll be better.